How to fix Roblox error unexpected client behavior. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of resolving the Roblox error related to unexpected client behavior. The steps outlined are designed to be simple and efficient, so please pay attention as I guide you through the various methods to troubleshoot this issue. One straightforward approach is to access the Roblox player's properties by right-clicking and navigating to the Compatibility tab and selecting the option to run the program in the compatibility mode for Windows 7. After applying these changes, attempt to run the game again. Alternatively, you can also choose to run the program as an administrator by right-clicking on it. And if these solutions do not resolve the problem, consider visiting the website status, which is status.roblox.com, to check for any ongoing system issues with the Roblox. In case the website indicates the operational problems, patience may be required until the issue is resolved. Another method involves accessing the temporary files on your system by right-clicking on the Windows icon and navigating to the Run tab, or using the Windows key plus R shortcut, typing %temp% and deleting these temporary files to create more space on your computer. I trust that this instructions has been helpful and beneficial in addressing the unexpected client behavior error in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.